Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into VOO. We previously shared an initial report on our website, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Just a reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.38. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.74%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.32% per day since being identified as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, we may see a potential decrease of 1.25% in the next 3 months. This means the return could be between -11.32% and -1.25%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there's a suggestion of a 14.54% change in the next year. This could result in a return between 4.47% and 20.18%. In terms of price, it could range from $437.05 to $502.79 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for VOO brings you this headline: VOO ETF price up 0.055% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 24, 2023, the price of the VOO ETF increased by 0.0550%, going from $418.14 to $418.37. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.146%, ranging from a low of $417.88 to a high of $418.49. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances and has seen a total increase of 4.95% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded fell by 2 million on the last day, with a total of 1 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $563.21 million. It is important to note that a decrease in volume while prices rise can indicate a divergence and potentially signal future changes in the market over the next few days. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $422.15, while the lowest price was $344.34. At present, the price is 0.9% or $3.78 below the 52-week high, and 5.19% or $22.89 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for VOO. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the VOO ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which suggests a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals supports the buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support from the lines at $415.93 and $398.92. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 10.88% so far. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the ETF. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This rare combination of the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line often leads to long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, we had a buy signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following. Short moving average, we had a buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO, the popular ETF, has an interesting support level at $412.23. When the price reaches this level, it often bounces back up, making it a potential buying opportunity. It's always good to keep an eye on support levels as they can indicate when a stock might reverse its downward trend. Let's talk about the risk associated with trading VOO. This ETF has average movements during the day, which means it's not too volatile. The trading volume is also good, which adds to its stability. Overall, the risk is considered to be medium. To give you an idea of its recent volatility, in the last day, VOO moved $0.610 between its highest and lowest points, which is only 0.146%. In the past week, its daily average volatility has been around 0.506%. So, it's not too unpredictable. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for VOO. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that if the conditions are right, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $399.11, which represents a decrease of 4.6%. This ETF exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 84, which significantly increases the risk involved. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 19 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals indicating that the current level of VOO ETF could present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the short-term period. Looking at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price of VOO ETF is overvalued. As for trading on Monday, November 27th, we expect VOO ETF to open down by $0.123 and start trading at $418.25. Before we begin, it's important to remember the risks involved in trading. You could potentially lose money, so it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.